then A is 0, it will become 1. When both the inputs are 1, 1, but the the bar of 1 is 0. So, the NAND gate is combination of AND gate. You can see the Boolean expressions for the AND gate and NAND gate. AND gate expression is Q is equals to A into B. That is A into B. Yes. The next is NAND gate is A bar into B bar. That is AB bar. So here you can write it as AB. So these are the AND gate, OR gate and NAND gate. So under the AND gate, we are having 2 inputs and 1 output. So initially we are giving both the inputs as 0. By this Boolean expressions, we'll get the value of output. And the next will give the B as a 0, means there is a no input. It will be off. A will be on. You can write it as like this also. If 0, 0 is there, you can write it as off and off. 0, 0, 0 is indicate as off and 1 will indicate as on. See this. So this is off. This is on. Next is on. This is off. So next is both are the on. Correct. So see the answer now. When both are the 0, then it will become 0 only. It will become off. When one input is on, off and one input is on, then the answer will be 0. If we multiply 0 into 1 or 1 into 0, the answer will be 0 only. You can write it as off. When both the inputs are on, that means we are giving 1, that is 1 into 1, it will be 1. So it will be on. Now you can see 0, 0, 0, 1. So as I said, 0 will represent it is in the off condition, 1 will represent it is in the on condition. See, off, 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 it is on. This also you can write, or else this truth table also you can write. So under the OR gate, what we have studied, this is a symbol of OR gate. Okay. This is also having the 2 inputs and 1 output. So truth table for OR gate, B and A. So this is the expression for OR gate. Q is equals to A plus B. So when we are saying both the inputs are off, what we are getting? It is 0. So it is 0. When A is on, B is off. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. What we'll get? We'll get it as 1. Then next is 0 plus 1. We'll get 1. So when both the inputs are on, as I said, we can't take it as 2 because it will receive only a single bit, or else it will receive only a 1 bit. So 1 bit is nothing but it is a single binary digit, that is 0 or 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. So we can't take it as 2. We'll take it as 1. So next is NAND gate. As I said, it is a combination of AND gate. The Boolean expression the symbol for the and NAND, both are the same. It is having a 2 inputs, 1 output. It is also having a 2 input and 1 output. But the Boolean expression for the AND gate, it is Q is equals to A into B. That is, you can write it as AB. So next, in the NAND gate, what will do? It is a combination, or else you can say it is a inverted, or else you can say it is a work as a NOT gate. Q is equals to A bar into B bar. That will be AB bar. So when both the inputs are 0, so 0 into 0, it will be 0, but the 0 bar will be 1. As I said, it is a NOT, it will act as a NOT gate, or else it is a inverted. So Q is equals to, when one input is 0, one input is on. The 0 into 1 into 0 into 1 is 0, when the 0 bar of this is 1. So next is 1 into 0. So bar of this 0 is 1. Q is equals to 1 into 1. So bar of this 1 is 0. So as we have studied in the Boolean terminology, or else you can say Boolean equation, Boolean function. Under that we have studied about the variables and constant and complements. So in these gates we have applied those all the functions. Those all functions will come under the Boolean functions by applying the 2 inputs, and we are getting the 1 output. So as we know, the Boolean function expression, that is what we have studied,